Morning, cadets. Good morning.
Morning.
Morning. Morning.
Ours got a mission.
Okay, what's the mission?
Mission.
I don't have much sleep. Never mind. Rod, it's time to go on the mission.
Good luck. Is everything okay, Rod?
No, everything's okay.
Are you sure?
I'm sure. Okay, but we worry because we care.
Penny's right.
I know that. Let's get this mission done.
Okay.
Okay.
Rod, is something wrong? Let me know. Something's wrong. I know it.
Is something up?
I do not know.
Is Rod feeling not well?
What's wrong, Rod? Dare not ask. That's not good.
Maybe I should tell Swift after the mission.
Welcome back.
Hope everything's okay.
Swift, can I tell you something?
What is it?
I sleep well last night.
Did you get sick?
But today, I did a little, but last night, no.
Here, let me get you some water.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You're like a younger stepbrother to me, and I care a lot about you.
Swift, I'm sorry. I should have told you.
It's okay. I'm glad you're better.
I'm glad. It was too bad.